right, we're going on a quick test drive. We got 153,300 miles on the Odom. And by the looks of the interior, exterior, and how this thing drives, you would never know. It is super, super clean inside and out. Very impressed. They definitely took care of this vehicle. And I really like the wheels on it. Those were upgraded after the fact at some point. I think they're from a newer body. They look good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Drives really nice. Besides the suspension being a little bouncy, I have no complaints. Drives really good. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at that front right wheel, we do have some rash on it. A couple little scuffs and scratches here and there. Those tires look awesome. Here on the fender, overall in great condition. I see a small chip here. A-pillar looks good. Side mirror looks nice. A couple tiny scuffs here and there. I see a really faint scuff right there. A little chip. Got a chip here. Got some paint peeling. Looking at that lower rocker. A couple scuffs and scratches here and there. That door looks good. That pillar looks nice. Looking at this wheel, a little bit of rash, a couple scuffs and scratches. Overall though, it looks really good. And you got the power steps here. Those look nice. So far that looks amazing. Very, very clean. A tiny little rock chip here. And a little one right there. Besides that, that hood is pretty much perfect. You do have the fading and spider cracking on the headlights. They kind of yellowed here on the top side. A couple rock chips here and there. You have some larger ones right there. Looks like we had some previous scratches here. Those are touched up now. Little rock chip there. Got a couple small ones here and there. And you're gonna see little imperfections on the headlight there. I'll just kind of scan through some of this. And looking at the underside here, looks good. All right, let's check out the driver's side. Overall, that fender's in great condition. Looking at this wheel, a couple small chips, otherwise looks really nice. Those tires look good. Here on the side mirror, a couple little rock impacts. A-pillar looks nice. Got a small chip here. Couple small scuffs, a few little chips there. A couple more chips, but all very subtle. See a few little scratches, chip there, one there. Otherwise, that's all in great condition. That wheel looks good. Looking at the taillights. Those look good. Nice and clean. Couple small chips. Got that chrome exhaust tip, looks good. Looks like it's missing the cover right there. Couple small scuffs on that plastic. Overall though, this looks really nice back here. Those carpets look good. Plastic's nice and clean. Couple little scuffs here and there. Overall though, it's in great condition. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells really nice in here. That wood grain looks good. Got the power folding mirrors. All those buttons are clean. It's a really good looking door panel. Got the Husky liners here. A couple scuffs here and there, but otherwise in great condition. I do see a scratch there, and you can see this is starting to rip on that edge, which it's still repairable. A couple wrinkles here. Got a little wrinkle there, but otherwise that looks nice. Leather super soft. That wood grain on the top looks good. All those buttons look nice. Those look good. Got the power pedals and the power steering wheel here. Upper section looks nice. Screen's in good condition. Heated and cooled seats. You can see the illuminated cup holders there. That looks good. And then you have the built-in garage door opener here. So this side is pretty much perfect minus this little spot here. Very, very clean. Here on the back left door panel, that's in great condition. All of that looks good. Seat looks amazing. Seat back looks good. Looks good. All that wood grain's nice and clean. Got the Husky liners over here. Looking at that bolster, very little wear. That bolster looks nice. Back of that looks really good. See here, the cap is missing on that. And the plastic's kind of popped out just a little. A couple scuffs here and there. A couple tiny scuffs here, but otherwise, that looks really good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Sunroof looks good. Very clean on this side. That's in great condition. Got those mats back here as well. A couple small indentions here, probably from a car seat. Overall though, looks good. That's nice and clean. And these seats are heated. Then you have all your ports here. Looks really nice. Looking back here, all of that looks like it's in good condition.